for our fun-filled adventures. We discover their exciting world. Let's dive in. First up is F or fox. Foxes are clever and quick animals. They usually live in forests and love to hunt at night. With their sharp eyes and ears, they can hear everything around them. A fox running swiftly through the trees, stop again to listen. Foxes are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. They're sneaky when they hunt, using their agility to catch their food. F fox, running through the woods. F fox, searching for some food. They're clever and quick, oh what a sight. In the fox's world, everything feels right. Next we have G or goat. Goats are lively animals that love to climb hills and munch on grass. They are very playful and curious creatures. Next we have G for goat. Goats are lively animals that love nature and sometimes even get into mischief. G goat, munching on some hay. G goat, jumping all the way. Goats are so funny, always on the move. In their lively world, they've got the groove. Now let's talk about H for horse. Horses are strong and beautiful animals that love to run and play. They're great companions for people and can be found on farms everywhere. Horses are also known for their speed. They can run really fast and are often used in races and for riding. A horse racing with a jockey showing their speed and grace. H horse, running through the field. H horse, with power as their shield. They're loyal and strong, oh what a friend. In the world of horses, the fun never ends. Finally, we have I for iguana. Iguanas are fascinating reptiles with long tails and vibrant colors. They love to bask in the sun and can often be found lounging on tree branches. An iguana sunbathing on a branch, flicking its tongue. Iguanas are herbivores, which means they eat mostly plants. They enjoy munching on leaves, fruits, and flowers. I iguana, sunning on a tree. I iguana, happy and carefree. Colors so bright and a tail so long. In the iguana's world, you can't go wrong.